What is up, YouTube? P-Rab here, and I'm super stoked. My last video helped a lot of people with their Warzone Fatal Error situation. Unfortunately, it didn't help everyone. And actually, about a day later after I made that video, I ended up downloading Modern Warfare, which I never had on my PC, and it broke everything. I mean, I started getting the same exact Fatal Error message again, and that's what this video is about. Fixing that fatal error for good. Um, Please like, subscribe, tell me if this helps you in the comments below. Come follow me on Twitch where I stream daily, and let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple easy solutions, and then I'll give you the big one, which is most definitely, I would say there's a 99% chance it's going to work. But it's long and really ridiculous. So, first of all, Raven tweeted out that they're aware of the fatal error crash, which is affecting some players on PC, and they're currently investigating it and however long that's going to take, I have no idea. And if it's going to fix the problem, again, I have no idea. So the first thing you can try is coming over to your documents folder, go to Call of Duty Modern Warfare players, and you want to take these two, the first two, well, depending on how your stuff is sorted, but it's advanced options config.cfg. Copy that over to your desktop, right? And then go back and delete the players folder. I'm not going to do it here because my system's working perfectly now, so I don't really want to mess with it. It doesn't really do anything bad, but... And then you come over to wherever your program is installed, to your Modern Warfare application, and delete that. So you want to delete the players folder in Documents, Modern Warfare application, in the program folder. Then come over to here, battle.net, and run a scan and repair. This simple little fix might work for you. Oh, the other part is actually, once the scan and repairs are complete, run your game, let it go through its startup thing all the way into the lobby, back out, and then go back to your let's see, your documents folder here. What'll happen is the scan repair will make a new players folder, and then you can drop your advanced options and config.cfg folders back in, which will actually put all your stuff back to normal, all your controller settings or keyboard settings and all that stuff, so you don't have to reset all that jazz. Okay, the next one, actually, it's pretty funny, this showed up in my comments, but Thiago here was talking about this Reddit post. Actually, this is something I used to fix my game before when I was getting a dev error all the time. It's kind of the same concept. It's like deleting a bit of the stuff in Warzone, running the scanner repair, and hopefully that scanner repair replaces and fixes everything. So I'll just go through it really quickly. Go to the Call of Duty Modern Warfare installation folder, delete everything except the data folder. I'll also link this in the description. So you want to come over here. He's actually saying go into here. And again, I've done this before. So go to Modern Warfare folder, delete everything in here except data. All right. Open data folder. And then search IDX, right? Which, I mean, There's quite a few of them. Search IDX. Then delete everything that's IDX folder. Right? Then, while being in the data folder, what you want to do is list everything by size and delete every file that's under 2 megabytes. So actually, you wouldn't even have to do the first IDX search thing. Actually, all of these are under 2 gigabytes. So yeah, so basically all these IDX folders, including this data that's 489, and anything from here on down you want to delete. And then again, you open the battle.net app and run scanner repair. And that might actually work for you. Again, I'll link this in the description. Okay, so those two may fix your game. If they do, more power to you. That's freaking amazing, because they didn't work for me. I've used them both before. I just want to mention them because this next fix is going to take forever. Now, I mean, this is literally a huge list of everything I tried. And really, the only thing that worked for me was reinstalling Windows. And let's see here. So it's right here. You can actually write Windows here, just to have full notes. So I basically came over here to settings, update and security, and recovery, and reset this PC. So what's going to happen here, though, are all your programs, everything's going to be deleted. It's going to be like having a completely clean computer again. For me, it's kind of easy because I don't really run anything off my computer except for OBS Studio, which transmits over the network to my other computer to stream or record YouTube videos or whatever like that. I'll do a video on that later. So you hit this. I personally hit keep my files, and I don't really want to go much further, but I downloaded Windows from the cloud just in case that any of the pre-installed stuff in this computer, this is like a pre-built, so anything pre-installed that was corrupt or anything would be gone. And the reason I actually went this route, which is really interesting, that I had a comment here by Michael Zhao. He said, I found a temporary solution. Do not display the game in full screen. Well, basically what he's saying, and this actually worked for me, if you could get that fatal error screen away from your other screen, you could actually just play the game. But the fatal error screen showing up and the game still working made me think that it's pretty obvious that Warzone, actually the Modern Warfare engine, is like causing some kind of error message from Windows, which forces it to shut down even though the thing is still running, which made me think that it was a Windows issue. It's quite possibly a developer error. But if you want to play the game, if you want to stream it, this is what's going to work for you. So basically, if I go back to here, I reinstalled Windows from the cloud. Next step, installed battle.net. Next step, installed Warzone and Modern Warfare multiplayer, because I don't play campaign, don't really care about it. If you want to do that, you can install campaign, should work fine. And then first time getting the message. So the first time when I installed this stuff, Um, I got the Windows Defender has blocked some features. Um, so I allowed access to public and private networks. Um, that message I never got when I first installed Warzone or Cold War or any of those. Maybe that's the issue. I have no idea. I just don't know. But this is what works, and it works pretty damn good. So after doing this, I shut down. I played Warzone and Modern Warfare multiplayer. It works perfectly. Shut it down, installed Black Ops, and then all Call of Duty games were working perfectly. So hope this video wasn't too long. I know this is a real pain in the ass, reinstalling Windows or resetting your PC or whatever the hell you want to call it. But it works pretty damn good. And that's one of the reasons why I did it, is because, so many people are playing the game on PC and my PC didn't work. So I felt like it must be a Windows problem. And apparently it was for me. Whether that's a development error, it's probably the case, but this will get you up and running. I mean, it's going to take you quite a while. I mean, maybe, I have no idea how long how fast your network is, your internet service, but it takes a while. It took me a good, day. I actually just started downloading stuff and went and did other stuff, and then it was done. And now everything works, and hope it wasn't too long for you guys. But yes, this is really the ultimate fix that I found. It's working for me, and I hope it's going to work for you. I'm sure it does. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.